As you can see in the viewport, I went ahead and modeled out the fourth spike, and I also placed them in the correct locations. Just follow the video from the first one and do like you've been doing, and you'll be fine. Okay, so now we have each one of our spikes, but what we don't have is the spikes are not mirrored across the center line. So one of the things that we want to do is each one of these spikes has transform data. You can see it has all this information, and that tells Blender exactly where it's located at. Well, one of the problems with this is it's all linked together, and we want to mirror them over. And we also already have a mirror modifier on here. Now, there's a bunch of different ways to do this, but because this is an introductory tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and keep things simple. So what we want to do is we want to actually get rid of all this transform data, which is basically resetting the transforms. So each one, as I said, has all this data. So the first thing that we want to do, we want to apply the mirror on our first spike. Let's go to the next one, and we'll do the same thing. And I'm going to continue on. I'm going to pause the video, and I'll be back as soon as I'm done applying these mirror modifiers. Okay, so now I've applied all the mirror modifiers. You can see if I select any of them, there's no modifier showing up down here. So now what we want to do is we want to get rid of all this transform data. So if we go through and we select each one of our spikes, we can come up here to Object, Apply, All Transforms. Now if we go through and check, you can see that all of our data has been zeroed out. So we have zeros on location, zeros on rotation, and scale is all set to 1. In the next video, we're going to look at mirroring over the spikes. Thanks for watching.